Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Oreo Choco-Lava cake at home. Before we start off with the video, please do check out our channel for other such videos. We show simple steps to get these amazing shades. Let us know in the comments section which shade you like the most and which shade you want to see next. We also show some quick and easy hacks which you can try at home. Now to start off with the video, first you'll need one pack of Oreo biscuits. Then take a bowl and separate the cream from the biscuits with the help of a knife. I'm gonna scrape off the cream from the biscuits as shown in the video. I'm gonna do this with the whole pack. Once I'm done separating the cream from the biscuits, I'm gonna crush them to fine bits. As you can see, I prefer crushing it this way, but if you want, you can use a blender for a more simple and easy way. And you can also blend it more if you feel like it isn't crushed enough. Now to this, I'm gonna add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then 1/4 cup of milk. And I'm gonna give it a good mix with the help of a spoon. Once I start mixing it, you can see it's getting combined really well. It's becoming like a thick batter now, but I want a flowy consistency batter. So I'm gonna add in few more tablespoons of milk until I get the consistency I require. Guys, remember to mix it well. Also, make sure you don't add in too much milk because you don't want the mixture to get too liquidy. You can see it's still a little thick, so I'll add in 1 to 2 more tablespoons of milk. And give it a good mix one last time. And now it's done. You can see the consistency, guys. It should be a little flowy as shown in the video. Next, I've taken two liners and I'm gonna grease them up with cake release paste. This helps you to remove your cakes or cupcakes easily from the tins. If you have this, you won't need parchment paper at all anymore. To know how to make this, check out the link in the description below. Now I'm gonna add in a little bit of this mixture into the liners, and with the help of my finger or a brush, I'm gonna spread it around nicely. Once it's done, I'm gonna fill in the liners with the batter. I'm gonna fill in about 2 tablespoons of batter into the liners. After filling in 2 tablespoons of batter, here I have some chopped dark chocolate and I'm gonna put them into the batter. If you don't want to add in dark chocolate, you can also add in milk or white chocolate instead, whatever you prefer. The more chocolate you add in, the better it'll be, just like lava. So add in as much as chocolate as you want. After adding in the chocolate, I'm gonna add in the rest of the batter. After filling the liners with the batter, I'm gonna tap it like this to set it properly. Now the next step is to preheat the oven for 170 degrees. Then I'm gonna place the liners into the microwave as shown in the video. And I'm gonna set the timer for 12 minutes. This is how it looks once it's done. Now I'm gonna demold it. I'm gonna take the liner and I'm gonna flip it upside down. You can see how easily it comes out because of the cake release paste. You can also dust it with powdered sugar or cocoa powder and dive into the yummy tasty Oreo Choco-Lava cake. I'm gonna repeat this with the other one as well. You can see it comes out really well because of the cake release paste. I didn't have to put in much efforts at all. Now I'm gonna cut it open and show you how it looks inside. And guys, your Oreo Choco-Lava cake is now ready. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.